Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my property in Livingston, Montana. Okay, this morning I did a video on this repair on this Craftsman mower. It's Craftsman, but there's the deck. It's totally rebuilt, and the Craftsman that I'm talking about is right here. It's a YS4500 and model 917276683. That's important. You'll need that for the OEM parts, original equipment manufacturer. And that SN, that serial number, like I explained in my other video, that 05, that's May 10th of 26. That's when this thing rolled off the assembly line. It's a 42-inch deck, 21-inch blades, and it's a YS4500 Craftsman riding lawnmower. Anyway, I'm getting ready to put that deck in there. A few things I wanted to clear up. These pulleys right here, they're called pulleys, V pulleys. They're your main pulleys for your, for your spindle shafts. That's what your blades ride on. Okay, these are called flat eye. This is a flat idler. This is a flat idler that's been replaced. Okay, this is another V pulley. And by the way, I got this whole entire assemblies, both of these, spindles, mandrel houses, bearings, the whole 9 yards from a company called Niche, N-I-C-H-E, off of Amazon, okay? Another good company you might want to look for is Max Power. They do a pretty good job. Okay, but that's what this deck looks like. She's got a brand new belt on there. Here's that new brake assembly I was talking about in my other video. Anyway, everything being equal, I should be mowing grass in about an hour or so, as soon as I mount that underneath that tractor right there. All right, thank you very much for watching the video. Check out my other video if you don't know what I'm talking about here.